Welcome, here I've got MEIZU M6T and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera app to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to the list of modes of this camera. One of this is the scan mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can scan QR codes by putting them inside this square, so this is really easy and we can use this as we need. So we don't need any other app to scan QR codes at this device. And of course, to go back to standard photo mode, we have to tap to the left corner button, and here we are again, and we can start taking the pictures. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.